how referent reality perception can help you. It can help you, number one, at the best in focusing upon the present, being in tune with, being aware of every second. Second is the most feasible perception unit for normal human intellect. So, to be aware, to be in tune with every second of the proprioceptive movements of the body, including the movements of the lips when you talk, including the movements of the legs when you walk, the entire cell assemblage inside the legs, clinging on to the bone, and every moment the liquid blood is moving all around, the gentle movements of the lungs and the heart. All these physiological linkage orbit networks together maintaining the consciousness. What a beauty!